Okay, we are going to try to take this Minimalist Baker mini vegan pumpkin pie recipe. I'm trying to estimate how much pie filling I need to fill these bastards because they're so small. It's doing some jacked up stuff to the measurements, so I'm going to do my best, and I'm only going to cook them for like 11 to 13 minutes because they're so small that they'll probably burn pretty quickly. What does 0.69 cups of pumpkin puree look like? Like that? Sure. 0.6 cups maple syrup. Oh shit. 0.06. Apparently 0.08 cups is about 1¼ tablespoons, and 0.06 cups is about a tablespoon. There it is. Drink it in, folks. I mean, it tastes okay. Hopefully it's just not way too much for these itty bitty shells. Oh my god, puppy, what? What do you need? And there, by the grace of dog, we have 16 perfectly filled mini pumpkin pies. Except for that one. He's a little fat. Okay, this is after 3 more minutes in the oven, so a total of 16 minutes, and they're looking a little bit more like browned around the edges, so I'm feeling a little bit better that the filling is cooked. So I'm gonna let them cool and see how they taste. Let's try it out. It's a little soft. I may need to refrigerate them to get them to set, but they taste like pumpkin pie.